Are you looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? Well, take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Renegade Latitude in Colorado Red with halogen headlamps, cornering front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper washer, passive entry remote start package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, Uconnect 4 with 7-inch display, Park View rear backup camera, dual zone temp control, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, Hill Start Assist, rear 60/40 folding seats, height adjust load floor, all-season floor mats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3030A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.